it. My tires are great. You want to get out of here?
Yeah, you can eat the rest of this sandwich.
No. What kind of sandwich is it?
Turkey, bacon.
Honey mustard.
This truck is very hot.
This one too.
It's very hot in here. Like it's not pleasant.
Roll the back windows down. You got air conditioning, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to run it when I'm trying to use the power.
As soon as you go more than 3/4 throttle, it shuts it off.
Really? I never knew that.
A lot of horse shit around here.
Is there? I haven't seen any.
The whole trail we went down was covered in it.
Was it? Guess people ride horses back there. You have a hard time getting a horse to go through a mud puddle like that. They don't like to step in shit they can't see.
Okay.
I know so. I mean, if the horse has been down there a bunch of times and there wasn't mud puddles, you might be able to get them to do it.
Yeah.
But if they've never been down there, you're going to have a hard time getting them to walk through a mud puddle. I mean, I guess it depends on the horse. Some horses will go where they're told. They'll walk right off a cliff, you know what I mean? Very hot, very warm. It's like 90 degrees right now.
What did you got a dress on? I mean, really? We're wearing pants and shirts.
Hey, that was your choice. I knew it was going to be hot today. I dressed appropriately.
Appropriately, she says. That's appropriate for off-roading.
Hey, I dug it out.
Miss, I fell in a mud puddle up to my shin. I thought she was gone. I thought we were going to have to ride her off, throw the winch on,
It's
leash
even
it.
better that she's the lightest out of all of us.
She's like, 50 pounds! The truck weighs like 3,000! We're going to get stuck! I'm like, relax. She's like, no! Ah! I'm like, calm down. She's like, ah! I'm like, I got to check it with a stick. I'm like, just move. I'm just going to go. She's like, no, no,
On
no.
the way back, Ryan's like, there's frogs in the bottle. I'm like, I don't care. Just get through it.
There's frogs in the first one.
Little tadpoles?
No, like frogs.
Did I crush them?
Probably.
No, don't tell me
You
that.
should have captured them and brought them home.
Oh,
They
yeah.
smell like shit. They're shit frogs.
Yeah, I didn't see that going over. Good
Shit
try,
frogs.
Alicia.
What kind of frogs are those? Ah, shit frogs.
They smell, that puddle smelled terrible, that first
my
one.
foot smells like it.
Shit frogs.
Yeah, just go in the hot tub. It'll wash off.
I told her, hit it with the hose and then jump in the hot tub. Bromine will take care of whatever might have been in that puddle. All kinds of fucking...
There's like primordial ooze.
There was like rainbows on the top, which means there's chemicals in it.
Runoff from the farm.
Yeah.
I washed my foot off though in the lake though.
Good.
Let's hope there wasn't a bunch of pesticides in there. No, that shit can...
Just a
phosphorize
foot.
can kill you.
Just a foot.
You get a shit frog as a souvenir.
With that red one?
Yeah.
Yeah, look like his teeth were coming out. Ugh.
I don't know that other
What do you call
Howard or Monster. Monster might be better.
Do you have waters in that nice cold cooler?
It's already not warm. Do you want some water?
Oh, we have water, but it's hot. Is that freezing cold? Fuck you, taurine. Is it delicious? Did it give you like a little bit of brain freeze?
Felt it go down your
Oh,
stomach.
you bastard. We should go back to the house and cook some fucking food on the grill. My house. Not your house. I hate your house.
What?
It's like fucking a billion miles. I wish you lived next door to me. That would be perfect. Or I should say, I wish I lived next door to you.
We're all right.
bet it is, but it looks uncomfortable.
Oh, the little guy on the bike didn't make it up.
Just like us.
Yeah. What's he driving, a Jeep?
That's a tough hill to get up. You need tow hooks on the front.
We need to add recovery points to this thing bad. She needs to get the aftermarket bumpers. It's a necessity.
Well, once you have the hitch, that'll work.
Yeah, but the aftermarket bumpers, that front bumper with the little push wedge on it, the tiny little one,
Yeah.
you can just tie it right to that and yank the whole fucking truck out. The thing is solid, right?
As long as it mounts to the frame.
It does. That's where the bumpers are mounted. You take, there's 4 bolts. You pull that out. There's a 2 hit, like it looks almost like hitch points. You slide that on. You lock
They
it
don't
in.
sell recovery.
What?
Hook? They don't give you the hook?
Yeah, it's got bolty things on the front of the.
I know, but can you just buy the hook?
Oh, I don't know. They bolt the frame.
You don't really need the bumpers. I mean, they look cool and all, but
It's nice. You can hit a rock and not even worry about it. It's 1/4-inch steel. Or what is it? 3/8?
yeah, we gotta look at all the weight.
It only adds like 150 pounds, but you're taking off 60 pounds of bumpers, so you're getting 90 pounds. This thing already weighs as much of a fucking bus comparatively.
This is probably weighs just the same.
Yeah. You have a better engine though.
I
Motor.
think you weigh less. You have less body.
You have a much bigger motor.
We gotta go to that scale in Riverhead. Find out what it weighs.
See, I wish I had that buggy right now. That thing would be balls to the wall fun back here. Right? 5-point harness with the helmet, you can jumps.
Everything inside you is not strapped down.
Oh, he just went down that hill. Whoa.
That's alright.
Sitting on the back fender.
Bike's a lot easier than...
Now, we couldn't tow that.
We could, but we couldn't tow it back here. Like, if they saw you pulling that onto the beach, they'd be like, no, 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 no. They'd be like, no, no, no.
Hey, if it's street legal, you get
If
a
it's
beach
street,
permit.
if it's street, if I... No, you're not allowed to have ATVs on the beach.
You make it street legal and get a beach permit
If
for
we,
it.
they probably put a farm field. If it's street legal, then we can get a beach permit for it. It's just, to them, it's a truck. They have no idea. And what's annoying is I've seen plenty of street legal dune buggies. I've seen them. Yeah, I've seen them.
Pretty blue one. What you need to do is flag them down there.
I was reading last night, there's the unique and homemade vehicle permit.
Yeah.
What's that wire hanging up there?
Probably for the plow.
Let's go by the lake. What was that?
The poor little kid's trying to throw his weight around, lean into the back.
That thing is loud as shit.
The white one, yeah. The 450.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Better go
You
back.
want to go to the grocery store, pick up the supplies?
Let's get to the house first, and then we'll...
We gotta go to the... We'll stop in the parking lot anyway, because I gotta air back up.
Yeah, yeah. We'll, yeah.